Working with A-Star allows us to jumpstart our transformation, and it also enables knowledge transfer to our engineers and our Singapore-based system integrators. Hello, I'm Gan from Philips. Philips is a health technology company, and we focus on creating innovations to improve people's lives. We started a joint lab with A-Star SIMTech, our long-term R&D partner, to co-innovate solutions for our transformation needs. While we look to transform towards a digitalized, connected factory, we may not have the complete engineering capabilities in the required fields or necessary resources to develop new concepts and solutions. With A-Star's manufacturing expertise and Philips' capabilities in industrialization and scaling up to mass production, we are making progress in piloting the new developed solutions in the factory. Philips was able to gain new digital manufacturing capabilities quickly after working with A-Star's SIMTech. For example, the use of cyber physical production systems technology with support from A-Star SIMTech allow us to use AI for both predictive quality and predictive maintenance. With this technology, we can tap on real-time diagnostics for continuous quality monitoring. The use of AI-enabled predictive maintenance allows us to reduce resource wastage.